guys, Luvme Hair did not come to play with this blonde highlighted water wave unit. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. In today's video, we are getting into another unit from Luvme Hair. I actually have two of them sitting over here. I'm trying to decide which one I want to get to. I think I know which one. So this one is going to be a blonde highlighted unit. I feel like a pop of color today is what I am needing. So let me show you what she looks like. So this is the unit that I am going to be talking about today. Let me pull it forward just a little bit. Okay, so that looks better. So this is Luvme Hair's Ready to Go blonde highlighted water wave short curly bob wig. It is Glueless Minimalist HD Lace, and the lace comes pre-cut off. So this unit is 12 inches long. It does come in lengths from, I'm just hopping right into the specs of this unit. So it comes in lengths from 10 inches all the way up to 14 inches, but this is going to be that middle length, 12 inches. Let me see what other specs I have on this one. So it's 150% density. It can be worn glueless, medium cap size, which means circumference is about 22.5 inches. It's 100% human hair. The hairline comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. It comes as a left side middle part, and it is fixed parting, so it can only be worn as a left side part. And we'll get into more of the construction in just a moment here. It is HD lace. Can it be dyed? Yes, but bleaching is not recommended. All right, so those are the specs. Let me give you all a turnaround of this gorgeous unit with this color. The color is just absolutely breathtaking. So here is the back, side, and front. So before I get into the construction of this unit, I do want to show you everything that came in the box with this unit, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like straight out of the box, how I define the curls on this unit, because I did co-wash her with the Luvme Hair Renewal System, the shampoo and conditioner. So I want to show you what it looks like completely wet, how I define the curls on it, and then we'll get into the construction and the install. All right, so here is the box that the unit came in, and inside the box, so since she has already been unpacked, we have everything that kind of secured the unit. We also have a letter from the founder, Love Me For You, Born For You, Existing For You, Unbox the Love and Shine Bright from Helena. Also in the box, we have the purple mesh bag that says Love Me with the drawstring top to store our unit. We have an elastic band, and this is to be installed in the inside of the unit. We also have a purple Luvme Hair clip, a piece of lace tape. Now this is going to be too dark for my skin tone, but it comes with lace tape. A pack of HD wig caps, a wig box label, a Luvme Hair little air freshener. I guess this is to go in the car. But it says Love Me For You, and on the back it says Love Me For You, Luvme Hair. Super cute. Also, we have our little pamphlet here, and this is going to be a thank you letter, wig care guide, how to return, and common wig issues. So good info to have. All right, guys, so this is what the unit looks like just straight out of the box. The curls are super defined, but they're more so factory made or manufactured. Now you can wear it straight out of the box, but I like to customize my unit. So I did go ahead and wash and condition with Luvme Hair's Renewal System. And here is what the unit looks like completely wet. I'm going to use the curl defining brush and the Luvme Hair curl mousse. I'm going to start by just combing through the unit with the brush. And this is just to make sure that there's no tangles in the unit after washing. With defining the waves on this unit, I always section out the two sides of the unit and start working at the back. I do this every time that I define curls on a unit. It just makes life so much easier, just getting the sides out of the way so that you can work in sections. So starting with the back section, I am going to bring down a layer of the hair. I'm going to comb through it, apply some of the product, and just smooth through it. With the texture of this unit, since it is a water wave, it's not a tight curl, you really don't have to define the curls too much. Just run your fingers through it and you are good to go. I'm going to continue the process up the back of the hair, and then I am going to continue over to both of the sides. I'm going to do the rest off camera. One thing I do want to point out is once you get to the top by the parting space, make sure to use like an edge brush or a rat tooth comb to kind of smooth it down right around the parting space. And this is what she looks like after defining the curls, and I am just going to tilt her back and let her air dry overnight. All right, so now that you have seen what the unit looked like just straight out of the box, what it looks like wet, how I defined the curls, let's go ahead and talk about the construction on this unit. So as you can see, we have the lace is pre-cut off, is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. We have lace around the hairline, and then the inside we have lace right here in a C-shaped part on the left side. So this can only be worn as a left side part unit. We also have two combs in the front. I went ahead and installed the adjustable, well, the removable elastic band that came with the unit. And then we also have our adjustable straps in the inside and a comb right here in the back. So now we can go ahead and install this unit. Also, just want to note that this is a standard wig cap. So we have the standard ear tabs, not the C-shaped ear tabs. But yeah, let's go ahead and install. I'm going to do a voiceover just so that we're not here all day long. So just stay tuned. For this install, I'm going to use a nude wig cap. The HD wig caps are a little too light for me. So I'm going to go ahead and place the elastic band around the back of my head. I'm going to turn around so you can see. I'm going to pull the unit down and place that back comb, pulling it over the elastic band and placing the comb in the back of my hair. Now this unit does have combs in the front, but I opted not to use them, and this is what the unit looks like. The lace at the hairline has this little tab. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that off. And now with some Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330 and an angled brush, I'm going to brush some of that product just right there in the parting space to make the part pop. And that's it. I'm not going to spray or glue. I'm going to wear her glueless. And here is all angles. The back is so fluffy and bouncy. And I do like the waves super defined, but I'm going to go ahead and just run my fingers all through the unit, kind of pull it apart, separating those waves to make a nice and fluffy look. Completely obsessed, and that is it for this install. Super quick and super easy. All right, so that was the install, and here is the final look. I am completely obsessed with the color, the shape of this unit, the cut of it, absolutely everything about it, honestly. Let me talk about the construction of this cap really quickly. So with the standard cap, you know, with the standard ear tabs, all of that, sometimes it is hit or miss with it actually fitting around my ears, but this one fits my head absolutely amazing. It feels like it was made just for me. And the curls, the cut of this unit, the shape of it is absolutely stunning. I just love this color combination. It is so pretty and definitely summer colors. The shape is summery. So again, 12 inches, and it is not hitting my shoulders at all. Not whatsoever. So this is one of those units that you're going to put on your head and forget about. You're not even going to worry about it for the rest of the day. Now I did get a little bit of shedding when I did wash the unit, but that's just the initial shedding. You're not constantly combing or running your fingers through this unit throughout the day because it is a curly unit. So you're not going to get random shedding throughout the day. The hair is very soft. It is fluffy. It's 150% density, and you saw what it looked like pre the fluff and now post the fluff. And I really love what this looks like fluffed out. It gives a more natural look. I wasn't going to do it initially. Usually I like my curls very defined, but I feel like with this, the bigger, the fluffier, the better. It is just so super pretty. So actually this unit comes in a few different color combinations. So it has this blonde highlighted one, and then there is the natural black, of course, and then they also have an ombre brown. Also, let me show you what this unit looks like on the website. So if you're searching for it, this is what you are going to be looking for. But of course, I'm going to put everything down in the description box for you. a link to Luvme Hair's website, a link to this unit, and of course my promo code SNH28 gets you 28% off of this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from Luvme Hair. So this install was super duper easy. All I did was put the unit on my head, fluffed it a little makeup right here in the parting space. I didn't even put any around the hairline. Did not spray, did not glue, none of that. This unit, I just want to prove that I did not do anything, edit anything off camera. This unit is 100% glueless. You can see that comb just going right under there. And the hairline looks so good. It just looks really, really good. Like, this is a good unit. I did not have to cut any additional of the lace off. This is what it is. It is what it is, and it's a gorgeous unit. So that is it for this review. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Make sure to check out the description box. I'm going to put a link to Luvme Hair's website, a link to this gorgeous highlighted water wave bob unit with the minimalist lace. Again, only a left side part. That's going to be down in the description box. Of course, my promo code SNH28 gets you 28% off. But let me do another turnaround for you because this one is just too good. So of course, the front, side, back, bouncy, fluffy, secure, not going anywhere. Side again, and of course the front. All right, so this wraps up this review. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.